1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's up, y'all? This is Vincanity, and recently in my online intermediate breaking class, we've been working on the reverse coffee grinder. Homework for the class was actually to train and practice the reverse coffee grinder. So today we're gonna spend some time training it. Before we get into that, if you are a beginner dancer, an intermediate dancer, or just need some extra help with your dancing, make sure you click the link below and hop into one of my breaking classes. We have an intermediate breaking class, a beginner breaking class, and a monthly masterclass designed to challenge you. All right, without further ado, let's get started. All right, y'all, so we're going into this with the assumption that you already know how to do the reverse coffee grinder. We're gonna train this in 3 different ways. First, by training form, second, by training speed, and third, by training our application, okay? So first, let's practice form. I'm gonna be using this leg, and in order to practice form, I'm gonna basically practice slow, practicing with my leg straight, and practicing with my leg off of the floor, okay? If you can't lift your leg off the floor, it's okay to drag it at first, but eventually you wanna hover your foot off of the floor. We're gonna start off with doing 5, then we're gonna do 10, and then we're gonna do 15, okay? Here we go, ready? 5, holding my leg off the ground, go hop, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. And what I'm trying to do is figure out the timing of this so that when I do go fast, I'm not bumping into things, okay? Give yourself a second to rest, move your arms around, kick your legs out, and let's go for round 2. Ready? Starting position, and going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, give yourself a break, lay down, shake your legs out. Last one, let's do 15. If you start to drag your foot, try your best to just keep your legs straight so that you're, again, practicing good form and the timing, of course, okay? All the way to 15. Ready? We go 1. Again, if you want to drag just like this, 2. Just keeping your legs straight. 3, 4, 5, 6. You can also practice this with like socks on. 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 5, try to hover it. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, take a break. Whew. Roll your wrists. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other way. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now that we kind of understand the timing, going faster should be a little bit more accurate, okay? Same thing, 5, 10, 15. If you start to lose control, slow your speed down, okay? First 5, here we go. Starting position, and it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice job, everyone take a rest. This time, let's roll our ankles out. Ready? We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other way. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now 10. Okay. Starting position. Here we go. And let's do 10 total. Ready? And we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice job. Give your legs a rest. And this time, let's roll our knees in circles. Ready? Laying down. and make circles with your knees. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other way. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Last one. 15 total, all the way to the end. No stopping. Keeping the speed, keeping the timing, and keeping good form. Okay, here we go. Starting position, and all the way to 10. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Woo! Take a break. Woo! Breathe in, breathe out. Now lastly is application. No matter what move you learn, you always have to apply it, right? Going out and dancing and doing one single move over and over and over looks like how a beginner would approach this dance, right? In order to make us look more like an intermediate or advanced dancer, we need to apply what we learn to our actual dancing, okay? So let's add something to this, okay? In our class, we worked on a couple different options, but what I want you to do is think of one single move that you want to add to this move, whether it's a CC, a roll, a windmill, whatever it is. You're going to do that one single move in combination with this, and we're going to do it 5 times. I'm going to keep my example real simple. I'm going to go coffee grinder, reverse coffee grinder. Okay? 5 times. Ready? Starting position. And this first one, let's kind of go slow to help us, again, understand the form. Ready? Figuring it out. Boom, boom. Okay? That's 1. Number 2, whatever your move is. Boom, boom. Number 3. Boom, boom. Number 4. Boom, boom. And number 5. Boom, boom. Perfect, y'all. Take a break. So this next time, we're gonna do 5 again. But what we want to do is add a little speed to it. And you don't have to add speed to the whole move, but I want you to add speed to your reverse coffee grinder, okay? So whatever move you're gonna do, whenever you execute the reverse coffee grinder, make sure it's a little bit faster. So for example, if you were gonna go hook, right? And you wanted to go to a reverse coffee grinder out of that, your hook doesn't have to be super fast, right? You could go hook and just do a reverse coffee grinder, right? So let's try this, adding a little bit of speed to the reverse coffee grinder. Ready? 5 total. Number 1. Number here. Boom. Number 2. Boom. Boom. And if you want to add speed to both of them, feel free to. Ready? Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. All right, everyone take a break. And now lastly, to add a little function to this, let's try to do it with our dancing. We're gonna do footwork, and just whenever you feel like it, throw the move in there. We're gonna do it 5 times, non-stop with your footwork, okay? Just to really, figure out the execution, okay? Here we go, everyone go to our footwork position. When I say go, start doing footwork. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Footwork, however you want. And 1. Keep going, footwork. And ready again. Number 2. Keep it going. And 3. Keep it going. And 4. Last one. 5. Woo! All right, y'all, that has been our quick training session for the reverse coffee grinder. Again, it's up to you to really practice this, get it down, and make it to your liking. It's always important to train for form, train for speed, and also application. Application is so important, and so many people spend so much time training individual moves, they sometimes forget to put into action. So put on some music, move around, figure out interesting ways to utilize that move. Get creative with it, all right? Hope you are doing well. I'll catch y'all next time. Peace.